Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello guys, it's Cutie Hot Mom, my mom, and me, Kirsten. In our video, we're going to show what my mom bought for my family. But my mom is not going to buy her things because she said she's not going to buy anything for her.
I am on a Lenten fasting. So instead of fasting, some people, they don't eat certain food or they don't, they go on diet. But I put myself into a not to shop fasting. So it's only 40 days. It's not like I'm gonna die without shopping for myself for a, like for that 40 days. But we're doing good, doing good. So today we got this from Target. It's this one. You probably guys been seeing it. It's the Golden State of Mind. But I am not using this part. That's why I bought it. I am using this part. That's why I bought it. Because I'm gonna make a communion banner for Kirsten. She's gonna have her first Holy Communion. So that's the first one that I made.
This is
of
the
course,
banner.
Yeah, of course, I made it myself. I did some stitching and all that. I learned that from elementary and high school in the Philippines. Ayan, madaming natututunan ng mga ganyan-ganyan bagay. Pag nag-aral ka sa Pilipinas, yun yung home economics subject namin noong elementary at high school. So, masyadong malaki kasi ito. So, ngayon, gagawa ako ng bago na mas maliit na required para dun sa school. So, I'm gonna share it on Instagram, the finished one. Follow me on Instagram for whatever. I post anything in there. It's like it's like my life on Instagram. But anyways, follow me, Cutie Hot Mom. And yeah, so Kirsten
Got a yum yum shirt. And it smells really good. Each one of these you smell smells really sweet.
yeah, it smells like food. It smells like strawberry, different kind of berries. Smells like yummy. Smells like yummy candies. I thought that's from Shopkins, right?
Oh no, it says yum yum.
Oh, okay. Is that different from Shopkins?
Shopkins is like a little toy, but it's small. But this one smells.
Okay, so this is from a brand Num Nums. So, oh, it's a product of Thailand, made in Thailand. But anyways, yeah, it smells so good. But we're gonna see after we washed it if it still smells yummy. And I'm gonna update you guys on that one. So it says, we are scented scratch and snip. Oh, it transferred. Oh my goodness, that smells so good.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
So yeah, that's what she got because I think she smelled it from her classmate and then we found it at Target. So I'm like, oh, let's go get it for you. And another one that I got, I am not sure if Jamsu, yung ilulubog mo yung mukha mo dun sa tubig, works for dry skin because I have dry skin. Kasi lahat ng mga nakikita ko, may mga oily skin lang sila.
This is the
And
big
it works
bowl.
best for them. So, we'll see. So, besides buying this for summer, magluluto kami ng
Foods.
foods. Of course, we're gonna have a lot of salad kasi summer na. So, it
I
fits
don't
perfect on my face.
You can be
So,
perfect.
I am gonna do a jumpsuit
Face
makeup
So,
video on
'cause
how
for
it
the
works
dry
on
face.
dry skin. And another one I got is for the boys. So, matagal na ako naghahanap ng desk lamp na pwede kong gamitin sa multi-purpose. Like, I can move it around. Like, I can use it for reading book for them. Or I can use it somewhere, somewhere else na pwede kong bitbitin kahit saan. And this one is a
touchable light bulb. So when
We're
you
gonna turn it on.
touch it, it turns on. But you have to put it on a table to turn it on.
Okay. There it goes.
Because you just touch. I'm going to touch it. Turn it off.
I wonder if I can use this one for my makeup tutorial
And
because
even-
you can move, you can adjust. So I'm like, whoa, perfect.
But also, don't break it or you have to pay for it.
But I think it's too yellow. I think I'm gonna need
A different one.
soft white or an LED, yung parang fluorescent lang. Parang yun ang kailangan kong bilhin para gamitin ko sa aking mga makeup tutorial. So, kasi the boys need that kasi mahilig na silang mag-read, magbasa ng mga kanya-kanyang books nila in their room. So, I'm
have boxes.
I'm finally getting them a desk lamp. Mukhang malalaki na naman sila at safe na.
So,
And another stuff we got this from Amazon. And
another big box.
yeah, and this is for the house because I want to do some project for Easter break.
Wait, we're gonna do it to my room also?
Oh my goodness.
We're gonna do it in my room also?
This is the wrong size.
What? You don't want that size?
No, it's the bar clips. Yung maliit lang. Ang laki-laki nito. Nakakaloka. Oh gosh. No, don't do that. I think I'm gonna have to return this. Sobrang laki niyan. So, ito yung isang, stencil. We'll see how big it
I already
is.
popped it.
This is a stencil for decorating a room. Okay. So, ganito lang siya. Of course, hindi masyadong makita yung
And you guys can't
yan.
really see, but
So,
we
parang ang lambot niya. Parang mahirap gamitin ito. Maganda kasi yung mga plastic na stencils. Yung tipong mga ganitong plastic na ganyang kakapal. Pero ito, ang nipis-nipis. So, I don't know how am I gonna be using this one. Yay. So, this is the one. And ito yung pinaka-decoration yata. Ay, wala din dito. As in, wala.
And Mom, you bought one for me also?
Yes. Okay,
This
so,
one is mine?
we'll see how it is. Kasi kung mahirap gamitin, ay
This is for my room, Mom?
papalitan natin.
But this is
Okay.
for my room?
Yes.
Yay! I can't wait to see it, guys.
Okay. Gusto ko kasi i-decorate yung one side ng wall nitong babaita para magmukhang girly naman. Ayan. So,
Whoa, what is this?
oh my goodness. It's a desk lamp.
For me? Thank you!
But anyways, okay. Oh, ito pa yung isang stencil.
Wait, that's not mine.
So, talagang maninipis lang. Maninipis lang talaga. Ay, paano kaya ito? Kasi may binili ako sa Home Depot or Target yata yun. Couple years ago. Kaya lang maliliit lang yung mga stencil. Parang ganito lang kaliit. And maganda naman because makakapal. At as in plastic talaga ito.
I thought
Ito
that
parang
was
papel na
mine.
plastic lang. Ayan, oh.
I thought that was mine, Mom.
Yeah, Christine, it can be yours also, but we
No,
are
I
trying
wanted
to
the
show it.
heart.
Heart? That's a different company that we have to go get it from. Ay, parang ayoko nito. Papalpak yung dito, yung pag-stencil sa wall. Kasi, pag malambot, pag nagalaw yung plastic, wala na. Ano na yun? Masisira na yung pagka-paint. Parang hindi ko gusto ito. Hanapin ko nga yung mga dating nabili ko at i-compare ko sila. I don't like this one. But, so that's what we got from Amazon. Mahirap kasi pag hindi mo nakikita, no? Yung bibili ka lang online, yung hindi mo nahahawakan. Tapos pagdating sa'yo, it's not the product that you're expecting to. So, very sad. Very, very sad. I don't know. I don't like this. I think we're gonna have to return these two stencils. And, anyways, thank you guys for watching. And we'll see you guys very soon.
But this was a longer video.
It is a longer video. It's 10 minutes.
Okay, ngayon iniistorbo nila ako. Papakita daw nila yung pato-pato gentleman nila. Pato-pato talaga. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Pato, pato, gentleman. Pato, gentleman.
Okay, all right. That's
Okay.
good.